बुलेटिन की शुरुआत इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर के साथ करेंगे। आज की सबसे बड़ी खबर, गुज़िश्ता रोज दरअंदाजी की कोशिश करने वाले 2 दहशतगर्दों की लाशें आर्मी ने बरामद कर ली हैं। तफसीलात के मुताबिक नौशहरा सेक्टर में एलओसी पर गुज़िश्ता रोज दरअंदाजी की कोशिश को नाकाम बनाया गया था। आर्मी ने लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर दहशतगर्दों की मुश्तबा हरकत को ट्रैक किया था, जिसे नाकाम बना दिया गया। दरअंदाजी की कोशिश करने वालों को आर्मी ने मार गिराया। दोनों दहशतगर्दों की लाशें बरामद दरियाफ्त कर ली गई हैं।
Night of 22nd August, a group of 2 to 3 terrorists tried to infiltrate through the Lam sector. Our alert troops picked up their movement while they were crossing the LC and then monitored the same. As the group moved, they entered own minefield, due to which a series of mines got activated and 2 terrorists were eliminated on the spot. A third, who's possibly injured and is hiding there, or he's gone back taking advantage of inclement weather and dense foliage. In the morning of 23rd August, we flew a quadcopter in the area and we could observe the bodies of the 2 terrorists. A deliberate search was then launched through the minefield, and post the search, we have recovered their body today morning. There has been also a recovery of warlike stores, which include 1 AK-56 rifle, 3 magazines and a large quantity of ammunition. As the area is heavily mined, the search operation is being carried out very carefully and it is still under progress. We are expecting that more recoveries will take place.